Good morning, welcome back. The Boosty boys are already going at it. Today we are at Willow, my first time driving Big Willow. Pretty excited. Out here with Touge2Track. Super stoked. Brought the Z4, as you guys know, the mini's still down. Look at this gorgeous, beautiful sunset today. So, sunrise. I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. So, yeah, we are like 30 minutes from registration starting and the driver's waiting and all that. So, yeah, welcome back. It's another track day. Okay, so I did run a first session, did a little bit of coaching in between, so that was nice. I can see the lines and see the track and get a little bit more comfortable with it. That helped so much. I literally dropped 7 seconds off my first time going out, thanks to seeing the lines and getting more comfortable with that. So, yeah, I think I'm going to go out in like 10 minutes or so. The car does have no arrow, so that is a little bit of a struggle here because of how fast it is, but we're making do. I'm having a good time. I'm really glad I'm getting seat time in this car. That's like literally all I want. It's just seat time, seat time, seat time. So hopefully we can drop a few more seconds off our time. Alright, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. On the paint! another 2 sessions. Had a lot of traffic today. I literally went from being stuck at like a 147, 146 all day. Really just wanted a 45, but went out, got a lot more confidence, really committed, and I did a 142. So I'm not really sure where those 4 or 5 seconds came from, but I pulled it up. I did it. Freaking stopped, so no complaints there. Super happy. That's probably going to be all for this video. Peace out, guys, and I will catch you in the next one.